In this video, I will show you how to add multiple Google accounts on Android. So let's jump straight into it. So to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up the settings on your device. Now once you've done that, you want to scroll down a bit until you see the option for accounts and backup just here, then go ahead, give that a press. Then what you want to do is press onto manage accounts at the top. And from here, you're going to see all your accounts. So what you need to do now is go ahead and scroll down all the way to the bottom. And at the very bottom, you're going to see an option to add account. So you just want to press onto add account. Then what you can do is choose Google from the list of accounts. So just go ahead and press onto Google. And what you want to do is just go ahead, enter your email and password, agree to the terms, and you'll be able to add another account on Google. Of course, if you want to add multiple Google accounts, you just need to simply repeat the process. So that is how to add multiple Google accounts on Android. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.